Hi everyone and welcome to the Job Find Life interview. Today we will meet different professionals and learn about their jobs. Let's begin. First team please. Good afternoon. What do you do?
I am doctor. I help sick people and work in a hospital.
I am Luz. I help the doctor and take care of patients.
Do you work together?
Yes, we and our wife work together at a hospital.
We usually patients every day. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you. Next team please. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What do you do?
I am producer, I am help to create music.
I am a singer, but not a common singer. I am Blow.
Do you work together?
Yes, I love music, I create music and imagination.
Yes, I like my job. My my job is so very beautiful. I can sing, but I am a singer. Este, um, este. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you for your time. Next team.
And no, remember listen my new song Yeye in the platforms like YouTube Music, YouTube, Spotify, and Daily Too. Thank you. See you later.
Thank you. Next team, please. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. What do you do?
I am a teacher. I teach English. I am a journalist. I report every day and interview people.
Do you enjoy your jobs?
Yes, I usually help the students learn new things. Yes, I always write interesting news. Remember that education and writing is sometimes be a good thing.
Thank you. Next thing.
Good afternoon.
What do you do?
I am an engineer. I design and build projects. It's a very difficult job.
Do you enjoy your jobs?
Yes, I always solve problems and create new ideas. Remember that food and technology, healthy or daily routines, full stomach, happy heart. Thanks.
Thank you very much. The next thing. What do you do?
I am a pilot. I fly and planes around the world. This job is like
Good afternoon. I am a tour guide. I show tourists interesting places. For example, Chachapoyas, Machu Picchu, Huaraz, etc.
Do you travel a lot?
yes, I saw it around. For example, to Mexico, France, Argentina, etc.
Yes, I always meet new people. Creativity is for everybody. You can make amazing things. You'll believe it. Thank you so much.
The last thing. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. What do you do? I write stories and book, a book romance, science fiction, etc. I am a photographer. I take photos, do comparison, and place. Do you enjoy a job? Yes, I usually write every day for the newspaper. Yes, I love pictures. Pictures are like memories, taking photos in school to remember important moments. Thank you. Thank you.